Now listen to me. The best decision you can make for your business is to get the business registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. But the journey don't actually stop at that point. There's a process called the annual return filing. Now, what the annual return filing does is that it keeps CAC abreast of your business to be sure if that business is still active, functional, or not. And this process is done on a yearly basis. That's why it's called the annual return filing. Now, this annual return filing process is very simple and easy, especially if you are doing it as at when due. The fee is affordable if you are doing it before it gets due. If it gets due, there's a penalty fee of 5,000 that will be attached to the payment. Now, CAC registration that you are doing for your company is a very good decision, and you must make sure that you protect that particular name at every point in time. Now that you have registered the business, it doesn't mean that if you don't file the annual return, if you don't carry out annual return filing, someone will steal your business name, or someone would not, or you will not be able to do business. No. Now, these are the disadvantages of you not carrying out the annual return filing processes. Number one is that your business will become inactive with the Corporate Affairs Commission, and you don't want that to happen at any point in time. Now, what's the effect of your business being active? Number one, is going to deny you of getting the kind of clients that you want. Kind of clients in what sense? There are some businesses that before they carry out businesses with you, they would want to verify your status on the Corporate Affairs Commission at every point in time. And you, how do you know if your company is inactive or not? Go to search.cac.gov.ng and you will see the current state of your business on that particular portal. Now, if your business is not inactive, another disadvantage to that is that you will not be able to carry out any changes on that business. Let's say, for instance, we are currently in address A, and now we've moved to address B. I want that to reflect on our document, to reflect our document on CAC to reflect. I will not be able to carry out that change until I make sure that my annual return filing is done and done properly, right? Until that time, before I'm able to carry out the process. Another thing is that if you don't carry out annual return filing, or your business is not active, you are not going to be able to make any changes on your bank account. For instance, if you have any bank issues, you have some payment you want to clear, you want to change directors, you want to change signatures and everything. Once you get to the bank, the first thing they will hit you with is that your business is not active and you cannot make any of those changes. And you don't want to fall in that particular situation whereby you will now be running here and there trying to get the issue sorted. So today, all you need to do is send me a DM. My WhatsApp number will be on the description below. Send me a DM. Let's get that business active without any hassle. My name is Akimbola Ezekiel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace out.